Hello and welcome to another, well, not a painting video this time. I am the Putrid Painter and this is a new video I'd like to call Putrid Ramblings. No worries, the mainstay of my channel will still be short and straight to the point painting tutorials, but I would like to extend my channel just a little bit. I will only make these Putrid Ramblings videos if I have something to say or show you guys. And this time I do. Let's begin, shall we? Here's a fun fact for you. Up until the Great Unclean One video, for years I've been painting using these old brushes. And I've been using these paper plates to put my paint on. But no more. I bought this wet palette. And boy, I should have bought that way earlier. It's great for keeping your paints wet and fresh, and you can easily pick up painting another time with the same paint or mixtures you've made. I also invested in better brushes. Because I have been painting scenery for an upcoming video, I haven't had a chance to try them out yet, but I can't wait to see the improvement in my detail work with these babies. I also bought some brush soap, so hopefully I'll be able to use the brushes for much longer. Another thing I bought are these pigments and weathering materials. I've been trying them out, and again it's a thing which I should have just bought years ago. And the biggest thing I bought is an airbrush. I've always held it off, thinking I wouldn't need it, but now I'm actually happy that I made the jump. So far I've been testing it out and there's definitely a learning curve. For now my focus for the airbrush is to do base coating, but I hope to become better at it, so I'll be able to do some neat tricks with it. A thing I overlooked is the stuff you need while buying an airbrush. You've got a cleaner, a thinner, and this very handy pot which allows the airbrush to stay upright when not using, and you'll be able to clear and clean your airbrush very easily. Another thing I want to ramble about is my Age of Sigmar Maggot King army. I had a blast painting these guys and I now have around 1,000 points. My next goal is to have around 2,000 points and the ability to summon demons. That's why reinforcements have arrived. You thought I was done painting Nurgle? Well, think again. We have Plague Bearers and special characters. We have Blight Kings and Blight Lords and flies and whatnot. And we have this Glutkin. So cool. Now I have made some videos on some of these models, but I still would like to make some videos on the special characters and the Glutkin, just to see if I can change things up just a little bit while still making them part of my army. So stay tuned for that. I thought it would be fun to end these videos with a showcase of a model I have here in my glass cabinet. For this video I've chosen this, the Hellmaggot. Way back in the 6th edition 40k, Chaos Marines got a big upgrade. We got new raptors and even cultists, and Helldrakes. The Chaos Flyer. As I was playing Death Guard, which was not its own army at the time, I thought the Helldrake model was a little bit too sleek for my lumbering diseased marines. So I decided to make the most expensive model I have ever bought. This is a Fortral drone kit, I believe it's called, a Tyrannid Turvigon kit and the Plague Bearers on the Flies kit that I've converted together to make this monstrosity. And I think I've done a pretty good job. Lots of green stuff was needed to make everything connect to each other, but it's a sight to behold. I do have to tell you that I did not come up with this idea myself. I saw this conversion on a website somewhere, way back, and I decided to make my own. I even magnetized the limbs and wings for easy transportation. Well, this was the first Putrid Ramblings episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Are there any topics you'd like to see me discuss? Any wargaming or painting topics? Let me know in the comments. But for now, thanks for watching.